Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Ghost of Tsushima, Legends Error Code 3. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play online. According to our research, this error mainly comes when there are some kind of connection interruptions. Now let's come to fixes for the error. Before trying anything, we suggest you to restart your device and check for the error. If the error persists, then check if you need to update Ghost of Tsushima, Legends. If there are any pending updates, make sure to install them and check for the error again. The next fix is for those who have a VPN. If you have a VPN, then make sure it is not enabled. In case it is enabled, then disable it and check for the error. If your VPN is not enabled or you tried disabling it but still seeing the error, then consider turning off the crossplayer option. And check if this resolves the issue. At last, if nothing works, then try disabling your device's firewall and antivirus program. And then restart the device. After that, try launching the game to check for the error. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.